Hi, kid. This time we will learn letters and animal names. Next, letters and animal pictures will be displayed. The drone will fly to the number sequence to be able to open the letter card. Once finished, we will know the name of the animal displayed. And let's play. What is the name of this animal? That's right. The first number sequence. Number 1. The first card is open, showing the letter D. Well done. Number 2. The second card is open, showing the letter E. That's right. Number 3. The third card is open, showing the letter E. It works. Number 4. The fourth card is open, showing the letter R. Congratulations! All cards are open. Now we can find out the name of the animal in the picture shown. That's deer. D for deer. Let's play again.